Hello, my name is Lori Fasadi, and I'm the first grade teacher here at Christ the King Catholic School. This is my 33rd year of teaching. I've taught first grade, third grade, and fourth grade, with this being my 30th year teaching first grade at CTK. I am currently teaching 28 students with the help of my instructional assistant, Mrs. Egan. Our school day begins at 8:10 and dismisses at 3:10. We have an extended care program after school until 6 p.m. We begin every day at Christ the King School as a school community with morning prayer, the Pledge of Allegiance, and announcements that are said over the loudspeaker by our principal, Mrs. Tabor. First grade students have daily reading, writing, math, and religion lessons, with social studies and science each taught 2 days a week. Students also attend Mass 1 day a week. They have PE 3 days a week, music twice a week, and art and library each 1 day a week. Parents often ask me this question: where should their child be academically at the end of their first grade year? There is really no set answer for that question. I always tell parents that the goal for first grade is to move students from wherever they are when they begin school in September and keep them learning and progressing throughout the year. They do not all start at the same level in September, and they will not all be at the same level in June. Students at Christ the King Catholic School are taught using the Archdiocesan standards for each grade. We also have the ability to use our technology here at Christ the King to help differentiate instruction. With our one-to-one technology, students are able to work on skills at their level of instruction. This use of technology is just one way that we differentiate and are able to meet all the individual needs of our students. At Christ the King Catholic School, we have our 3 school-wide learning expectations, known as our SLEs. Those SLEs, school-wide learning expectations, help our Christ the King students grow to be well-rounded and successful individuals. Each trimester, we focus on one of those 3 school-wide learning expectations: a spiritual person, a person of integrity, and lifelong learners. Some of the fun highlights of first grade are starting the year by bringing our teddy bears, as we learn about attributes, sorting, counting, estimating, and graphing. Students also attend at least one live theatrical performance and really look forward to our weekly science lessons with our hands-on science program. This week, we studied the question of why is snow white? Students finished this lesson by making their very own snowflakes. And we finished our discussion by talking about transparent, translucent, and opaque. So there's just a little snapshot of what first grade looks like at Christ the King Catholic School. Thank you so much for taking an interest in our school. Take care. God bless you. Bye-bye.